Do you want to add high energy reveal that looks straight out of a sci-fi movie? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an electric flip reveal effect in CapCut Mobile by just using the built-in video effects. Let's get started. Open CapCut Mobile and tap New Project. Select the video you want to edit, then tap Add to import it into the editing timeline. From the bottom toolbar, tap Effects, then select Video Effects. For the first effect, search for Flip Reveal. Tap the effect that you want. You can make adjustments by just clicking the Adjust button and slide the slider all the way you want. When you are satisfied, tap the Check button. Now for the second effect, search for Electric Reveal. Tap the effects that you want, and also, you can make adjustments. Tap the Check button too to apply it to your video. Drag either end to shorten or extend the duration. Before exporting, make sure to play your video to make sure that the animation flows smoothly and enhances your edit. And that's how you create an electric flip reveal effect in CapCut Mobile. Keep editing, keep innovating. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless you.